Collaborative FluidMath is the first collaborative whiteboard designed specifically for mathematics teaching and learning. Collaborative FluidMath is a patented software that enables teachers and students to share the same piece of smart math paper. It is not only for use in traditional classrooms, but also for use in virtual classrooms where students and teachers are not physically co-located. It is a perfect solution for distance learning and remote teaching of mathematics. Here we can see Collaborative FluidMath in action. The two browser windows shown here represent two users, a teacher and a student, sharing the same collaborative math page. As the teacher writes on her tablet, the student can see, in real time, what the teacher has written. Because the page is shared, the student can also write on the page and even edit the teacher's work. Both can manipulate the mathematical representations displayed on the shared math page. In this next example, two students work collaboratively on an assignment. The first student must find the line equation that passes through points A and B. The student writes the wrong answer, graphs it, and discovers the line does not pass through points A and B. The second student helps the first student by correcting the mistake. The first student writes the answer into the first answer box, and FluidMath reports that the answer is correct. The second student must find the line equation that passes through points B and C. The student annotates the graph, then writes an equation to test it. The first student annotates the graph with the change in y and the change in x to help the second student, who can then fix the slope in the equation and then answer the correct answer into the second answer box. Collaborative FluidMath can be used between more than two users. It can be used by a teacher with multiple students or several students working collaboratively to solve problems. In this example, 4 students are working on an assignment collaboratively and each answers their respective questions. Collaborative FluidMath will revolutionize the way teachers and students collaborate in traditional classrooms, as well as in distance learning and remote teaching environments.